Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Marshall, McLean, and Woodford. Temperatures: overnight low temperatures will bottom out from 0 to 8 below zero. Winds will be northwesterly at around 10 miles per hour. Wind chill values: wind chill readings will drop to between 15 below and 20 below zero along and northwest of Rushville to Bloomington / left bracket 1 NORMXL right bracket line. A wind chill advisory means that very cold air and strong winds will combine to generate low wind chills. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia if precautions are not taken. If you must venture outdoors, make sure you wear a hat and gloves and minimize as much exposed skin as possible.